I'm Eric Mattei from matteirealty.ca. We're back on Toronto's famous Yonge Street corridor. This time we're at Yonge and Sheppard, Yonge and 401 area at 80 Harrisongarden Boulevard. Just steps away from that address, and all the shops, conveniences, TTC highway access you expect from Yonge Street. There's this incredible park to play with your children, your grandchildren, bring your pets to, and there's a lot more in this neighborhood I'd like to show you. 80 Harrisongarden Boulevard isn't just about convenience. This location espouses luxury. When your friends come to visit, they'll be jealous. This beautiful Tridel built complex has incredible amenities. What's more is the location and setting itself is fantastic. One beautiful thing with this job is when you find buildings that have exceptional amenities. Imagine having friends over, forget the Super Bowl and a TV, you can really bowl. Tridel builds incredible buildings, and this particular one at 80 Harrisongarden is no exception. In fact, it's exceptional. The amenities include bowling, pool, virtual golf, a rec center, gym, exterior spaces for patio enjoyment, and more. All of that in this lavish 5-star resort setting with the fountain right in the center as you walk in. Condominium living, to me, is supposed to embody luxury. This address does just that. Being on the ground floor of 80 Harrisongarden, you can step out from your unit, have a fantastic walkover to a tennis court. There's also patio space and more. Not to mention, as you leave your kitchen, you've got a gas barbecue and your own private balcony. It's like having a backyard. If you need that outdoor space and you like to go for walks, the courtyard here has all kinds of pathways and walkways to say hello to neighbors, or to sit down and enjoy a good book in privacy under a trellis. If you're downsizing from a home, or you just like to have somewhere where you walk out the door and you touch on the ground, this is it. You come out of your kitchen, not only do you have a 4-seater table, a private area when the foliage comes in the spring, you have a natural gas barbecue. It's just like having a backyard. Inside this incredible unit at 120 80 Harrison Boulevard, you'll see the first thing, nice foyer. So when you greet people, they're not instantly walking into your space, which is a pet peeve of mine. You've got a laundry suite that's out of the way, as well as having a closet that gives you tons of storage. What a beautiful living space. South-facing, large windows. You're on the ground floor, but it feels like you're in a bungalow. Not to mention the design is impeccable, as most Tridel units are. Open concept living room, dining room, and a beautiful kitchen I'd like to show you more of. How often do you find a condominium that has a massive window and tons of natural light for you to enjoy? Well, that's what you'll find here at Unit 120. Right in front of the breakfast area, there's this huge house-sized window that overlooks a courtyard when you have your morning coffee. Not to mention you've got granite counters and beautiful storage space, including this pantry. It offers you quite a bit to work with as a cook and an entertainer. Beautiful. That's how I would describe the primary suite of this unit. It's got a 5-piece bath with his and her sinks, a separate shower, soaker tub, and a walk-in closet. The other attributes of this unit also feature a full main bath for your guests when they visit, upgraded millwork including really high baseboards and kickouts on the doors, including upgraded flooring. You've seen the location, seen the incredible amenities that 80 Harrisongarden Boulevard has to offer. Now you've seen just how fantastic this ground level Unit 120 happens to be, including the walkout and all the interior features the unit has. What's next? Please contact me if you'd like to see this unit. My name is Eric Mattei of matteirealty.ca. You can find me at info@matteirealty.ca or 416-557-SOLD. That's 416-557-7653. Thank you for taking this tour with me. I'm Eric Mattei.